Sheila here from Satin Crystals, and today is giveaway day where one of you is going to win this lovely Carnelian Ganesh plus a $100 gift code to Satin Crystals, and two of you are going to win $40 gift codes each. So if you left us feedback in the contest this past week, your name is on one of these slips. If you are a VIP, you will count it, each feedback counted as 2 entries into the contest. So if you're not a VIP yet, or if you missed out on this contest, make sure to join the Satin Crystals VIP because you'll get specials and promotions and be part of giveaways all year long. So you'll find your name here if you joined this week, and I'm going to cut them up and place them in our special magic Satin Crystals drawing box. So let's get to it. All right, all of your names are cut up and placed in this magic Satin Crystals drawing box. So in this contest, you can only win 1 prize per contest. So if I do draw out your name twice, just consider yourself extra lucky. Go out, join some more contests, come back and join our next contest with all of your luck. So first of all, I'm going to draw out the 2 $40 gift card winners. And the first person is Jamie. The second person for the $40 gift code is Claire. Congratulations to both of you guys. I'm going to send you an email and you will get a gift code for the Satin Crystals Farewell Collection, $40 each. And finally, the grand prize winner for the Carnelian Ganesh is, let's get a good one, Emma. Congratulations, Emma. I'm going to be sending you Carnelian Ganesh and all of his abundance and prosperity. If you did not win one of the 3 prizes this round, don't worry, you are all winners in our eyes. And we want to send you a $10 gift code each for sending your feedback, taking the time. Every word of your feedback counts, and we appreciate it a lot. So for all of you who did not join in the contest this time, as you can see, it's super simple. We do encourage you to join our next giveaway contest, and make sure you're on the VIP. You will know when that is. And also upcoming this week, we are going to be featuring Carnelian and how you can use Carnelian to slay your psychic vampires. So make sure to stay tuned for that. As always, thank you for your feedback. Thank you for watching our videos. And thank you for your positive presence at Satin Crystals.